attempting to dodge storms as I ride west solo, getting tornado and hail warnings, making my 2-day relaxed ride into a tense 3-day ride, staying on the side roads as usual and checking out the historic towns along the way. Having a barbecue at the corner store. Smells good. Too bad. Looks like these guys had a lot of roof damage. Looking place? I have no idea how to pronounce that. Escawapata? River? Welcome to Mississippi. Oh, the train tracks. This is a cute little town. That's a cool building down there. Rain, stay up there. And the reward for riding through a little bit of rain, look at the sun. The sun peeking through the clouds. Beautiful. Okay, well, it's raining. Full on rain now instead of just a little bit on and off. So, found a tree to park under. Awesome. Get all my electronics away and good. Which means no more microphone on my GoPro. Early in the morning, riding into Covington, Louisiana. This is a cute little town. I came through here last night. It was dark, so dark and raining, so I didn't get it on video. So, supposed to get another bad storm today. This one with hail and tornadoes, possible tornadoes. So kind of like the one yesterday. The one yesterday was north, which is why I went south. The one today is big enough that I can't go around it. There we go, Covington. Okay, well, got the idea. Cute little place. This is cute. Oh, I like that. Very pretty. This is the old part of town that caught my eye the other day. I'm in Covington, Louisiana. And someone told me this was a cool place, so thank you for telling me. Very cute. Okay. My bike and the old carriage. Cute little area. Oh, look at that. So I guess they have carriage rides downtown. I'm assuming in the summer when it's more busy with tourists. In the cute little town of Hammond. Beautiful historic city. I've gone through some storms already today, nothing too bad. There's going to be more on and off all day until the big one hits, but because I'm riding in and out of water all day, I'm going to take my microphone off so I can still videotape with my GoPro, but I will not be talking. I apologize, I was having microphone problems. I finally caught up to the storm. The storm was going east and I was going west. My original plan was to find some shelter during the storm, as there was tornado and hail warnings. However, as I was getting closer to the storm was growing and it ended up to be about 4 hours long. So I decided to call it an early day and get a hotel. Looking in the background, you can see the weather on the TV. Everything is red, is from basically where I am, east. My bike was parked at the north end of the shelter and getting wet from the rain coming from the south. I could hear the wind howling in my room. As far as I know, there were not tornadoes in the area I was in, but my friend's house in Mississippi was hit by a tornado and it blew her roof off. My area got small hail. It's early in the morning, as you can tell by my shadow. Hello! Was 47, I think. It's warming up a tiny bit. East of where I was is flat and in the middle of nowhere. Absolutely nowhere in this area to stop, especially with cover, and I knew that, so thought I better stop while I had some. Okay. Guess I'll stop back here so people won't hit me. Crap. Hit like, subscribe, share, and add any comments below. Check out my social media, links in the description, to follow my moto adventures. Louisiana, on this pretty road. I'm on 90 West. There are a lot of homes I've seen with the tarps on, like that one. We did just have the bad storm go through here yesterday and last night, but I'm thinking that's pretty quick to get tarps up. Maybe there's more roof damage.